Hello world, Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Charleston gets one face in the news, the Capitol, the bridges, the convention center, but the West Side is a different conversation entirely. I've passed through here on runs more times than I can count, and it never looked like the brochure version of Charleston, which is probably why it always felt more like the actual city to me. The Kanawha's right there, the rail corridor's right there, and you can see in the layout exactly how this part of town got built. Not for show, for function. Somebody worked here, a lot of somebodies. I keep thinking about how close this is to the State House geographically, and how far it is from it in every other way. That distance doesn't shrink just because the road between them is short. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.